Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Rosliza binti Zainuri, and today I will explain to you the introduction of this assignment. AM modulation is a modulation technique used in electronic communication. Amplitude of carrier wave vary in proportion to the waveform being transmitted. It is used to transmit information via radio carrier wave. AM transmitter is used to transmit AM signals, where there are two types of AM transmitter, which is high level and low level. These two types can be chosen depending on transmitting power. AM receiver receive the signal transmit by the AM transmitter. It processes AM modulated signal and provides audio as output. That's all from me. Thank you.
And very good day. My name is Shamsul bin Jori, and I have to present the literature review for the assignment. So I will choose the review that is research on improved amplitude modulation method of audio directional loudspeaker that has been researched at University of Electronic Science and Technology, Chengdu, China. In this literature review is about to improve the harmonic distortion using AM modulation with multiple methods such as self-demolition theory to get the total harmonic distortion. So in this research, they put up with the mathematical theory and experiment to prove the distortion can be reducing by using this method. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir bin Mayudin, B07161074. Today I will talk about our assignment. Our assignment entitled AM transmitter and AM receiver development. Okay, today I will talk about the literature review, the journal that we use to get some information from it. We got some input to learn from it. Okay, our literature review is AM radio transmitter and receiver by electronicnotes.com. Is the writer is Iron O. Is right on 2020. Okay, he told that AM is a process of modulation in which the amplitude of sound wave of high frequency varies in direct relation to that of the modulating signal. The modulating signal carry the information needed and sometimes consists of audio data, as in the case of AM radio broadcast or bidirectional radio communication. The sine wave with the high frequency is modulated by applying modulating signal to in phase mixer. Below is a simple AM radio transmission system. Next we go to the diagram of the AM punya flow. Okay, initially a simple type of amplitude modulation was used to modulate audio voice signal onto telephone circuit carries a low voltage direct current. A microphone in a phone headset serves a transducer which is used the human voice sound wave to adjust the current passed through the circuit. A second transducer at the other end of the telephone line used to change the voltage to create sound wave that similar enough to initial speed pattern to be identifiable as the caller voice. Okay, that's all from me. Sorry.
So my name is Danish from BEE section 1/1. So today we're gonna present about the development of smart brake light system using Arduino to improve the visibility of brake light. So I'm going to tell about the literature review. Hampkins J. 2004 present an overview of architecture of an automotive radio. To develop new technology for radio to receive a signal is without much prior knowledge about its defining its characteristic. A suite of modulate is developed to autonomously recognize various signal attributes, including the angle of arrival, data rate, symbol timing, carrier frequency, and phase modulating index, and also modulation type of SNR.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MuhammadbHisham. Today I'd like to present about literature review. My literature review is about estimating the frequency modulation radio transmitter power required to cover a particular distance based on available radio receiver sensitivity and desired signal range. To determine the sensitivity of an available radio receiver by going through an open market survey by checking through the technical data sheet of the most common radio receiver used in the area. The radio receiver with the lowest sensitivity was used for comparison. As conclusion show that the result of this research would show that the formula represented in equation can be used to estimate power of transmitter required to cover particular area or distance. It also confirmed that methodology or utilized in this research can be followed to estimate the transmitter power. Also, I'd like to present about the result of this assignment. First is a AM transmitter. This is the circuit of for the transmitter. The below is a waveform output of the transmitter. Next is the AM receiver. The first is the circuit for the receiver, and the waveform below is the output of the receiver and the input of the receiver. The upper is the input of the receiver, the lower is the output of the receiver. Thank you.
For the discussion, there's a transmitter and a receiver. So transmitter basically takes an audio signal as an input and deliver amplitude modulate wave to the antenna as an output. So basically that's a transmitter job. So the audio signal from the output of the microphone sent into the amplifier, which boosts the level of modulating signal. And the RF oscillator generate the carrier signal. Other than that, the modulating and the carrier signal is sent to AM modulator, and the power amplifier is used to increase the power level AM wave. This wave is finally passed to the antenna and to be transmitted. So this is the block diagram. So you can see that the pathway of the transmitter. And for receiver, so normally we use AM receiver. So AM receiver, it's AM wave and demodulate. It actually demodulate the wave by using envelope detector. Similarly, FM receiver receive FM wave and demodulate it by using frequency discrimination method. So the requirements of AM and FM receiver are it should be cost effective and receive the corresponding modulated wave. It also can able to tune and amplify the desired station. It have ability to reject an unwanted station. So lastly, the demodulation has to be done to all station signal irrespective of the carrier signal frequency. For the requirement of to be fulfilled, the tuner circuit and the mixer circuit should be very effective. The procedure of RF mixing is an interesting phenomenon. So this is our circuit. this is our AM receiver circuit pathway. So by this we can know that the pathway and the function of the AM receiver. Thank you.
Okay, for the conclusion for the assignment, that is, we know the characteristic of amplitude modulation that has same amplitude but a different frequency for each of the envelope. That setting at the design. Next is we know how to AM modulation operate and how to design the AM with the multi-sim circuit. And finally, the advantage of using AM modulation that is simple than the FM, but today FM is now widely using than AM. Okay, thank you.